the madness.
Hello and welcome to my channel, and today we are going to talk about Midjourney Alpha, and this is the new version of the Midjourney which is activated on their website. Previously we used to work on the Discord. We are still working on Discord, but right now the new version V6, they started their work on their own website, and you can see the tagline here. Welcome to the Midjourney Alpha. Creation is in alpha and being tested with advanced users like yourself who have made more than 1,000 images. So basically, those who have created more than 1,000 images on their Midjourney Discord app, they are eligible for the access of the Midjourney Alpha. So the new website layout looks pretty good and clean. You can see here explore, create, and the create option is basically the option we used to here by typing image in. So I'm going to test it out, and archive is your previous creation, the images you have created, and you can rate images. So yes, basically this is the new layout, and you can see there's a random tab, so the latest random images are shown in this website, the recent works. In the hot tab you can see the hot images, I mean the images that are preferred by the creators, like this cat. So let's try out some different prompt here. Let's try on the Discord if it works. I think it's working. Imagine a cute cat walking in grassy field. Children book illustration illustrated. And as you can see, we had to declare our image dimension like 16:9. In the new style, in the create option, you can see there will be some different options here. You can declare the image size by this bar: 1:2 the portrait mode, 2:3, 3:4, 5:6, the square, 6.5, 4.3, 3.2, 16.9, and so on. Even 2:1 is available. I haven't tried this stylization, weirdness, and variety three new bar, but I think I'll try it very soon. And the model they are using standard draw option version 6. You can just activate different Midjourney version by clicking this one. So this is a pretty fast and good option to work on, because previously you had to go to the settings option, like pressing settings, and then you had to do all the different mode. And this we are very similar and used to these settings, but the new option on the website, they are even more easier and handy. So you get the point. So you can see Discord is still activated. I mean, they obviously didn't left the Discord yet. So let's upscale the images. It's pretty good. The new version, which is Midjourney version 6.0, the alpha, it's really good, and the previous errors are almost fixed. So the new era of AI design is here already. Let's try here something. I have never tried this website yet, so let's start something. Blue and beautiful woman standing in rainbow New York City background. A blue eyed beautiful blonde woman. What is 2.1 stylization? Let's see. Now what? Press enter. Yes, pressing enter actually work, and you can see the prompt here: a blue-eyed beautiful blonde woman standing in rain and blah blah blah. 18% complete. Here's the loading bar, and you can see 4 images box here. Pretty much like the Discord, but in their website, and much easier layout and much faster, I guess. Let's see what comes out. And I think I can browse the site while it's working. Yes, you can also walk through the site, watch other creations when your creations are created in the background. This one looks pretty good. Wow, modern bedroom day. The new Midjourney version is really impressive, and the images are really, wow, very nice. So basically we are going to go here, and yes, you can download the image. The resolution seems already great. You can even upscale it, I guess. Yes, and there are more options. Wow, the layout actually looks really nice. You can upscale, remix, even increase the size by arrow, zoom out, change the resolution. Nice. The new website actually looks really great, which is called Midjourney Alpha. I think it will be available to everyone very soon. It says we will make an announcement when it is available to everyone. Yes, pretty nice. Let's try something else. One more last try. A mythical guy fighting with a dragon in the sea, stormy weather. Yeah, dark night and lightning in the sky. Greek story. And the resolution is same, 2:1. Stylization, whiteness, variety. I'll increase the stylization to 300 just to test out what it does. And it's working. 4 more images coming out. So Midjourney Alpha, the new version, looks really detailed, much better, and it's supposed to happen as the days goes by. Wow. And the work is done. The images looks really nice, and the resolution 2:1 actually looks very cinematic, and you can see very easy layout for new users and those who don't want to hassle with the Discord. So yes, pretty much this is the update of Midjourney Alpha. I'll keep you updated as new things comes out. Subscribe to my channel for more detailed videos.